Ambrosia is based at the foothills in the Lowveld of the Drakensberg in Hoedspruit. The first 2 years of production, we did all our grading by hand. And that was a huge challenge with obvious all the human errors that comes from that. Without technology, we wouldn't be able to work as effectively as we are doing right now. To have sustainable, safe produce on the market, we have to adhere to a lot of protocols, and our existence depends on the satisfaction of our customers. So we adhere to all the safety precautions to the detail letter. Then we bought our first TOMRA. We built it and we packed the first year with TOMRA 1,000 tons. Without that, we wouldn't be able to handle that at all. It would have gone to waste.
Previously, we had to rely on the picker to give us feedback on the softness of the fruit. Now we have standardized method with the Kato system that can pick up and detect fruits that doesn't have a good quality. Our pack out at Ambrosia Citrus improved a lot because we rely on a machine that grades out the quality and not based on a personal preference of a picker that takes out the fruit. We've seen a massive return on investment of Kato. We now use less labor to pick, less labor to pack, and our overseas quality reports has improved drastically. The usability of the software is user-friendly. We can now train people to manage the machine and with far less input from the managers. Kato definitely has provided us with new opportunities. We can now select quality and size preferences for a specific market and deliver that specific need for that customer.
The benefits of using Kiro, there is a consistent flow of fruit going through, faster packing, accurate, just easy to use. Previously we packed by hand and that was time consuming. Currently we are running a total of 4 kilos. Figure-wise, we will maybe pack 5 tons of blueberries per day by hand. With the same amount of people, we can do between 15 and 20 tons, just because we use a kilo. Reliable equipment in the pack house is very important. We can't stand while we are in peak season. We need to put through a constant production through the pack house, and Kiro provides that to us. I feel that the TOMRA relationship is a true partnership because they understand our need and are willing to adapt to what is needed. You can only put a limited amount of tonnage through a pack house and limited amount of tonnage picking. But with Kato, you are able to put more tonnage through the pack house. They can increase their picking speed because we can handle the amount of fruit that is coming in. And the Kato with the necessary kilos, it's unlimited. You can continue packing throughout the season. The Lukai AI has improved a lot our method of sorting. Different varieties has got different blemishes and different defects. With that technology and software, we are able to adapt to every variety and sort out the defects so that we can give the customer a good product.
At this stage, only grateful that we do have installed TOMRA machines. Therefore, we have expanded and doubled on what we have initially installed. It's the only one that satisfies a blueberry producer's need. I will recommend TOMRA machinery absolutely. Our business without TOMRA is unimaginable. I can't see an alternative at this stage. So, but plainly said, I don't want even consider another route.